Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tea masala powder at home. Start by measuring whole spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom, black pepper, fennel, and nutmeg. Dry roast small batches until fragrant, cool completely, and then grind to a fine powder. Sift for uniform texture and store in a dry, airtight jar. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup of tea for best flavor. Gather quality whole spices to ensure the freshest flavor and longer shelf life. Use roughly equal parts of green cardamom and cinnamon with smaller amounts of cloves and black pepper, plus fennel and a pinch of nutmeg. Weigh ingredients for consistency or use teaspoons for a quick batch. Freshly roasted and ground spices will give the most vibrant aroma and taste to your masala powder. Use a dry skillet on medium heat and toss the whole spices frequently to roast evenly and avoid burning. Remove from heat as soon as they release aroma and let them cool fully on a plate. Grind cooled spices in a spice grinder or mortar and pestle in small batches to achieve a smooth texture. Sifting produces a refined powder and keeps larger pieces for reselection or future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.